Hello everyone, it's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. Today, we're going to walk a beautiful pathway. So take this time, bringing all your attention to this time and this place, and already notice that huge shadow that you cast everywhere. Recognize what a powerful influence you have on the whole entire world around you. You impact this entire world. All your actions, your words, energy. You make a huge difference. Let this shadow always remind you, you matter. All of creation thanks you. See how huge your shadow is. Recognize your greatness, your impact on the world, even bigger than you can possibly imagine. And all of Mother Nature and all of creation thanks you for the positive influence, the positive contribution you make in this world, just by being you. Start to walk now. See that energy that you carry going everywhere you go. It's leaving its impact everywhere. See how your energy moves with you. It impacts the world around you. With every step, become more and more certain of the powerful, positive influence you have on this entire world as you continue to walk your path, moving forward, one step at a time, always doing the best you can. Acknowledging your contributions to the whole. This is your path. You're helping the entire world by walking it. So thank you for all you do on behalf of this entire world and all of creation. Keep moving forward along your path and having a positive, unlimited influence on us all. Recognize we're all connected. We are all one. Take this time to appreciate yourself. And again, the positive influence you've made and continue to make, and how we are all in this together. Bringing all that positive energy to your mental and emotional, physical body, feeling balanced and grateful and special, because you are.